traffic stop. I don't know if it's picking it up. So those little dots, those are frogs. Oh, the frogs! Teeny tiny little frogs!